Oh, Katie, where you at? So we made these absolutely beautiful barn doors that used to hold a TV. Katie decided that she was going to take over the space. So this is her little hideout where she tells the government everything that we talk about. I don't even know why. Yeah, that's what we're doing. I put a dog bed in there because the only reason is because like I overbid at the auction on dog beds, and so I had an abundance of it. So that happened. And I tried to put climbing stuff up here, and all of it. Wait, so you're biting my elbow for no reason? Because you love me, right? Yeah. So we bite the ones we love. Yeah, that's what we do. We do that. It's like a cat. I love you, except for it's harder, and then you have a bruise. Or maybe blood. Well, we don't know. It depends on the day. Oh, I'm not looking at that cute face. No, she's trying to be cute. She's sucking up. You're a suck up, Katie. And she rolls these doors because they're like, okay, honey, you can let go. Let go. She manages them. So they're on, ow, Katie, that wasn't nice. They're on wheels. And she can put herself in timeout if she wants to. Or not.